Hi, this is Marlo with Soundoftristate, and today we installed the Rydeen TOMBO 360X. What this is a rear camera DVR system that gives us 360-degree interior as well as front camera and rear camera recording on it. So this is a 2025 F-250. And again, we did this mainly so that the customer can have some front camera and rear camera recording. But the plus with this is it will also record the inside via the 360 degree, which I'll show you right now. So we do have a rear camera pointed on the rear of the vehicle, which is going to give us that quick view down bottom here. So if we tap it 2 times, that brings it up. This is the rear of the vehicle itself, and to get out of that again, we just tap it 2 times. And currently right now, this is the front of the vehicle. As you can see, this is his hat, and that's the camera is right here, and that's what we are picking up. This camera is motional. You can take it and point it directly to the front to give us directional, or if you point it down, it's actually giving us the 360 view. And this 360 view can be manipulated by, as you see right here, this is me recording. This would be the inside of the vehicle itself here. And you know, so security wise, it's not a bad idea. You can see people coming from the sides as well if I leave it on like something like this here, or we can switch the camera view to what we call split view, which does 2 cameras here, and it still does give us the rear camera input as well. We can turn the screen off completely. Now it is strictly just a rear view mirror as well. So again, Soundoftristate, and this is the Rydeen TOMBO 360 view. Thanks.